Hi guys, welcome to today's digital SAT Maths Masterclass. Today the topic is data analytics. Although the weightage of this topic is 50 to 20% round, but still, if you prepare the questions from this topic, it can be a very scoring one. Alright, so let's just discuss the questions. This is our first question. So our data set is given. The values are 12, 14, 15, 17 and 18, and the question is 95 is added to this set. Which of the following will increase the most? Okay, mean, median or mode? Right. So mean, let's go with the mean. So mean is the average. If you look at these five numbers and you try to get an average of these five numbers, it will be around 15 point something, around 50. And when you add this 95 to this data set, what's happening? When you add this 95 to this data set, and now if you try to get the average of this number, the average goes around 28 or something like that. Got it? You can calculate it. There are six guys, add them up, divide by 6. So the mean shoots up from around 15 to about 28 or something like that. So this is the increase in mean. What about the median now? If you look at these five original data points, 12, 14, 15, 17, 18, they are already in the ascending order. And what's the median? Median is the middle value when all data points are arranged in an increasing order. So here the middle value is 15. So median for original data set is 15. If you add 95, what does median changes to? So if you have 95 also in this data set, you have six data points. So for six data points, there will be two middle values, 15 and 17, and their average is going to be the median. What is the average of 15 and 17? It's 16. So median went up from 15 to 16 by just 1 unit, while mean show got shot up by how much units? More than 50. Okay. What about mode? Mode is the value which is being repeated in a data set. So is there any value which is being repeated in this data set? No. So there is no mode. After the addition of this, still there is no mode. So it is not relevant. So mean is the most aggressively pulled by this guy, which is 95. Right? Median is relatively stable. So the answer is mean. Alright. Next question. Next question is, we are given two data sets. Set X is 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14, and set Y is 2, 8, 12, 16 and 22. Now if you look at these two data sets, what's happening? They're asking which set has a higher standard deviation. What is standard deviation? Deviation from the mean, or how far are the individual data points from the mean. So if you clearly have a look at this thing, although you have a given formula for standard deviation, which is you calculate the mean, which is x bar, then ith data point, which means every data point, subtracted from the mean, find the square, and divided by n minus 1, take its square root. This is how you're going to calculate the standard deviation. Got it? So if you calculate it like this, you can calculate the exact value. It will be at 1 point something and it will be around 7 point something or something like that. So to be exact, this is 1.4 and this value is 7.6. But in exams, you will not do this. If this exact question is asked in the SAT exam, you will not use this formula. You can just see 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 is a compact data set. So the standard deviation is relatively less. While for set Y, see 2, 8, 12, 16 and 22, the data set is wider. So you can, without any calculation, you can just say that data set Y is widely dispersed, so Y will have a higher standard deviation. Got it? So this is how you are going to proceed in your exam, where you have limited time. Okay, don't waste your time. Try to look at the question. Try to look at what they are exactly asking. Do you even need to go through the entire process which is being taught to you? If not, avoid that. Okay. Thank you for today. If you have any doubts, you can put your questions or doubts or queries in the comment section. And if you want to get a personalized coaching for SAT and other exams like AP or IB, you can contact me. Thank you.